dear customers, nice to meet you all here again. Today I would like to introduce our new packaging products, and I will teach you how to use our new packaging paper box. Okay, so this is a square paper box for packaging a coffee bottle. Yes. So the first step, let's open the lid like this way. It's a very special lid. And then hold your bottle and put it inside the insert like this way. Then it's finished, and then close the lid like this way. Yeah. Then it's finished. If you want to make a custom paper box for your products, welcome to contact us to know more and to make your special box. See you next time. Bye.